Hey guys, I'm going to show you now a client page I did going off of CVR, the conversion rate. This is the success we had for my client, where just after 1 week, they were under 3% conversions. They're around 2.8, 2.9. And just 1 week after, we got them around 4%. 2 months down the road, they are now at 6.45, 6.5% conversion. So you see, for 217 sessions, they got 14 orders. To calculate conversion rate, you want to divide orders, conversions, divided by the sessions, visitors. So 14 divided by 217, that is 6.5% in conversion. So it may not sound like a lot, but in terms of conversions, that is big time. As they scale their ads up, that is more money, that is more sales. If your conversions are 2%, you're converting 2% of that traffic. As you scale up, it's going to remain 2%. If you get to 4%, now 6.5%, as you scale those ads up, you will sell 6.5% of that traffic, of that impressions. That is a lot more money than if you convert at 2%, at 2.5%, at 4%. So I'm going to get into the page now. I wanted to just show the receipts first and show the stats. All right, getting into the page now. So Woofy Lab, they are selling in Romania. So this is all in Romanian. This is a fun page to do. They sell pet food, and easy thing, first thing is the offer. For the offer, instead of just selling 1 unit, we decided to bundle with 2 and 3 units. And because they take cash deliveries, we had to create 2 CTAs, one for checkout with credit card, one checkout with cash. And at the top here, we have some benefits here and a CTA here. So on mobile, you will see this CTA first, and this CTA is specific for when people come from your ad, when they come from your traffic. There's going to be a certain amount of people who are already set to convert, and this is there to prime them and just get them to convert as soon as possible. So we start with the header, benefits, imagery. We add some imagery in the bundles as well to just show people, hey, you know, you see visually, text and image, 2 and 3. And going here, we added a bit of code. So this was built in REPLO, but we added a bit of code here as well to show the shipping dates. We found this as well to help the conversions, showing product details, ingredients and benefits. Then we get into UGC. UGC content is so crucial. It's so important. If your team hasn't invested in it, invest in it as soon as possible. It really does help the conversions as well. Then getting to more benefits, doctor approved, the benefits of this pet food. They offer a 30-day guarantee as well, so that's something we wanted to make sure we utilize as well. Then getting to reviews. There's different review apps you can use that can work well with REPLO as well in your Shopify, such as Luke's, Judge.me, in terms of getting video reviews, even image reviews as well. And then CTA, but you see here we have the sticky cart as well, the sticky CTA, to make sure that no matter what, we always have a CTA present on screen. This as well helps the conversions. Next, we get into comparison. Comparison does really well. It's something I personally love to do on all my clients' pages, just really show why and how is your business, how is your product better than the competitors, better than the competition in your niche. Then getting to more benefits. So this is specifically more ingredients and benefits and what's inside each ingredient. But if it's your e-com product, we can get into what's inside the product, ingredients, or even just more benefits here as well. CTA again, fact section. Fact is super crucial to really just qualify your buyers, qualify your customers, make sure just really alleviate any concerns they might have, and it really just builds more trust as well. And just any questions a buyer might have, they can just see that, access it right now, then and there. And yeah, we ended right then and there. Very simple page, very easy, just nice design. We stayed on branding with them, but really found ways to really increase their AOV, lifetime value, just get those customers coming back and just really purchase more than one at the get-go, or even if it's a repeat customer, they know they love the product, hey, they can just buy 3 at a time instead of just 1, just save some money right then and there. So this is a great client case study. We had some immense success with this client, and as we speak, they are scaling their ads right now, and they're just making a lot more money with the page we built them. If you want us to do the same thing for your brand, your business, book a call in the description below, and yeah, we can do the same thing for you and your business. Have a great day, everyone.
Hi everyone, we have an e-commerce brand and we wanted to step up to improve the conversion rate in our business. That's why we chose to work with Alex. We have been amazed by the efficiency and his professionalism. So far, our result has been improving and we went from 2.9% to 4% conversion rate. He is super accessible even after the job was done. We got 30 more days to change and adjust any modification. He gave us some really good tips to improve. We definitely recommend him if you want to step up in your game.